you're gonna go to the court. Exam would start exact from here. Now, okay, you got it. So you're gonna go to the court against the decision of the NCA because they did not follow the proper procedure. Exam would start from this point of view. Okay, okay, you got it. You got it. Procedure, substantive, one. Number two, public body versus private body. Public body, yes, judicial review is available. They have to follow the proper procedure. Number two, Reshmi, I cannot help you out. If you cannot join the conversation, I cannot help you out. Just log out and log in. Log out, then in. Okay. Okay, number two is done, right? Now, third question. What kind of procedure they will follow? Admin body, we are expecting from the admin body, before they're going to fire us, they have to follow the proper procedure. What kind of procedure you are expecting from the admin body? Okay. Okay. For example, I'm employer. I am employer of hospital. I'm employer of hospital. Okay. So behalf of the hospital, you are negligent doctor. You are not competent doctor. You are sleeping all the time. There are a lot of negligence. Before we gonna take any action, before we gonna fire you, we have to provide you proper procedure. So we have to being an employer. So I cannot fire you. You know what, doctor? You are fired from the job. No, 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 no. We can't. In Canada, we have to follow the proper procedure. What would you expect from the employer? First step, before he gonna fire you. If you already attended my class, do not answer. If you have already attended my class, do not answer. If you did not attend, yes, what would you expect?
Give a written notice.
Hearing.
Okay, so the guy, he said hearing. Okay, you are looking for hearing. Okay. Asmita, very good, very good. Asmita, did you
Notice?
huh?
Show cause notice?
Not show cause notice, notice. Okay. Again, I need your eye contact, computer guys. I need your eye contact. Do not write. I'm gonna tell you whenever you're gonna write. First step, procedure. Second step, admin body and private body. Okay. Third step, they have to follow the proper procedure before they're gonna fire me. What procedure? So there are three procedure. Write it down. Pre-hearing. One is pre-hearing issues. Pre-hearing. One is hearing issues.
Bantala.
Okay, pre-hearing, hearing, and post-hearing issue. So employer has to follow three steps: pre-hearing issues, hearing, and after the hearing, one issue, only one issue. Don't worry about it. Okay. So again, first step is before admin body gonna fire me, they have to okay. Before I'm gonna fire you, behalf of the admin body, I have to follow the proper procedure. Okay, what procedure? Pre-hearing. Okay, so what is the first step? First step is a notice. I'll give you notice. Notice. You know what? What's your name? Vishali. Okay, I have to make a notice. Miss Vishali, she always sleeping in the job. She was maybe committed by the offense of stealing in my job. Whatever, she is a lazy doctor. So we have three witnesses: witness 1, witness 2, witness 3. There are three witnesses against her, making a notice. And okay, this is a notice. Take this notice. I have fulfilled my duty. First step I have fulfilled. If I would not give you notice, okay, direct hearing. So procedural violation. Before, okay, you know what? Okay, I'm not gonna give you notice. Okay, you came to my office. Okay, you know what, Vishali, today is a hearing date. Today is a hearing. You know what? Yesterday, day before yesterday, we have three witnesses against you. You may committed by the offense of stealing. You steal something from our office. Now is a hearing date. Now is a hearing. After the hearing, of course, serious violation of procedural fairness because I did not provide pre-hearing issues notice. Before hearing, I must provide you notice. After the notice, what would you expect from the employee, from the employer? I have given you a notice. Then discovery, discovery, discovery. There are three witnesses. Okay, you was committed by the offense of stealing. Okay, stealing. Where is the witness? Witness one, her name is this one. Witness two, her name is this one. Her name is three. So I have first I made a notice, then discovery, and then I'm gonna say you next month is a hearing. Next month. Okay, notice, discovery. Okay, discovery, and then okay, take this notice. I have fulfilled my notice requirement. I have fulfilled my discovery requirement, pre-hearing issue. Okay, then just imagine. I gave you, I gave you notice. Tomorrow is a hearing. Is fair? Day after tomorrow is a hearing. You need sufficient time between the notice and the hearing. You are giving me a notice today and tomorrow is a hearing. So I need a sufficient time, which is called delay. Delay. So basically, being an employer, I have fulfilled my three requirements. Notice, I gave you notice. I gave you discovery, A, B, C, one witness A, witness B, witness C, everything was good. And number three, delay. There was a sufficient time between the notice received and the hearing time. I have fulfilled my requirement. If I would not fulfill my requirement, you're gonna go to the court against the decision of the admin body based on procedural grounds because admin body did not follow the proper procedure because they gave me notice, requirement met, discovery requirement met, but there was not a sufficient time between the notice received and the hearing date. There should be reasonable time. Depend on circumstances of the case. Then, okay. Now, second step was hearing issue. Okay, now month is gone. I have done my requirement, notice, discovery, and delay. Now hearing is going on. Ma'am, here is a board. We have a board. Okay, you are a doctor. It's a medical board, medical association, or Law Society of Upper Canada. It's a board, Law Society of Upper Canada. Okay, for example, you are a lawyer. You may committed by the offense of stealing. Now it's a law society. Law society is a admin body. We are taking your hearing. Benchers are here. I'm a bencher. We have to make a decision whether you will qualify for this job or not, because we have decided we're gonna suspend your driving license. Right? Whatever, you got it. So now hearing is going on. Now is hearing. I'm employer. Okay, now we are decision maker. I am a decision maker. I have to make a decision. Who you are?
Lawyer.
Whatever, you are victim. Okay, you are a victim or accused. No, you are basically accused. Okay, accused, right? So what? Okay, ma'am, we have decided we're gonna fire you. Before we're gonna fire you, so hearing is going on. Okay, now is hearing here. We have three witnesses against you. Witness one, witness two, witness three. Okay, so what? Okay, so right to opportunity, you right to speak. Okay, no, do not write. So okay, hearing is going on. Okay, hearing is going on. So do you want to say anything? No, that's very good. If you have watched my intro class or from YouTube, from somewhere, do not give me an answer. This is for first timer. Hearing is going on. What would you expect, ma'am? You are here. Okay, we gave you opportunity, right to be heard in impartial decision maker. I'm an impartial decision maker. Right to heard. Okay, right to heard mean we are giving you a hearing. In the hearing, what would you expect from the employer?